Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How have your practices been going? I hope it's going well. And in today's in today's tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship and their album Let There Be Light. So this song is in the key of D, and there's only two parts for acoustic guitar in this song. One is plucking and one is strumming. Alright, so it's fairly easy to do. There's only a few chord progressions you guys have to learn. So this song overall is a really easy worship song to do, and it's a real powerful worship song too. So grab your guitars, tune it, and we'll go straight into the tutorial. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. So in the first part, we're not actually going to be playing on either the intro or verse 1. We're only going to be starting to play on chorus 1. And it's not going to be anything fancy, it's just a little plucking pattern. Alright? So the way we're going to be plucking is we're just going to be plucking once per chord, alright? So it's going to be... It's not going to be that vigorous, alright? So it's going to be just one gentle pluck. Alright? So the chord progression is going to be D, A, B minor, A, G, D over F sharp, A, B minor, A, G. And then we go to the verse. Alright, so we're going to be doing that together now in the beat of the song. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go. So on to the verse. So our verse, there's only gonna be two strumming patterns we're going to be using, but the chord progression in this verse is it's really big, so you guys have to be alert for that. So our strumming pattern number 1 is going to be down, 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 up, up, down, down. Alright, so let's do that together. 3, 2, 1. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. Alright? So, our chord progression will be, for the first part, will be D, that's it, D. So, that's only gonna be the chord for the first part. And then, our strumming pattern, number 2, will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Alright? So let's do that together. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And that's going to be for the G, 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 B minor, A. And then for the B minor to D, will be the same thing as our first strumming pattern. And then after that is gonna be G, B minor, A again. And then it goes to the chorus. Alright, now we're going to be doing that together. So in 3, 2, 1, go. goes to the chorus. Alright, so on to chorus 2. So the strumming pattern for chorus 2 will just be the same strumming pattern that I've taught you guys in verse 1. Verse 2. And the same chord progression that I've taught you guys in chorus 1. Alright, so we're just going to be mixing a little bit of chorus 1 and verse 2. So we're going to be taking the strumming pattern from verse 2. We're going to be taking the chord progression from chorus 1. Alright? So, once again, the strumming pattern will be down, 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 up, down, down. Alright? And then the 3 chord changes, which are really quick, is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Alright? So let's do that together, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so on to the bridge. So what you're going to be doing for the bridge is you're going to be taking the same plucking pattern that I've taught you guys in the chorus 1, but we're going to be doing a different chord progression, which I'll teach you guys right now. So once again, your thumb will be on the bass note, your index finger will be on the 3rd string, and your middle finger will be on the 2nd string. Alright? So, the chord progression for this song, or this bridge, is G, A, B minor, F sharp, D over F sharp, and then G again, A, B minor, D over F sharp. Now it's gonna be a little bit different after after it's solemn, because then we're going to be adding an A, and then I'll tell you guys what I mean after the first part, after the plucking part. All right. So the plucking part is gonna be D, A, B minor, D over F sharp. All right. So let's do that together in 3, 2, 1, go. So that's going to be going through the interlude and the first part of the bridge before the heavens are roaring, alright? So onto the bridge. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking the strumming pattern that you guys have learned from verse 2, alright? So we're only going to be taking the first part, not the second part, which is the down, 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 up, down, down. Alright? Not the down, 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 up, down. Not that. We're only going to be taking the first part, which is the down, 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 up, down, down. Alright? So the chord progression for this part of the bridge is kinda a little bit different from the previous chord progression that we've done before, like right before this. So it's G, A, B minor 7, D over F sharp, G, A, B minor 7, and then here's where it's different, which is A. Alright, so let's do that together. 3, 2, 1. G, A, B minor 7, D over F sharp, G, A, B minor 7, and then A. Okay, so on to the chorus. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be playing the same chord progression that you guys have done in chorus 1 and chorus 2. There's no changes. And you're going to be playing the same exact strumming pattern. Alright, so let's just get into it. 3, 2, 1, go. D. A. E minor. A. G. D over F sharp. A. B minor. A. G. B minor. A. G. Okay, so right after the chorus, what we're going to be doing is the same thing as what we did in the bridge previous the chorus. Alright, so let's do this again, once again. In 3, 2, 1, go. G. A. B minor. D over sharp. G. Alright, so on to the last chorus. We're going to be just playing the same exact thing as we played on the previous chorus. So let's do this together in 3, 2, 1, go. D. A. B minor. A. G. D over F sharp. From G. Congratulations guys, you guys now have learned how to play What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship. Now if you guys like this video, please leave this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and the notification button so you guys will be notified for any future videos that I'll be doing. Now if you guys have any song requests or any requests for a guitar tutorial, you guys can leave a comment down below so I will be notified for your requests. And if you guys need any chord charts or any song charts for your praise and worship band, you guys can go ahead and visit my website soundmeta.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys will be visiting my website easily, alright? So once again, that is soundmeta.com, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.